Did you know that 3,000 years ago, people used ordinary seashells, bird feathers, dried fish, tea, cocoa beans, and even salt as the first money? As you realize, finance boasts quite an ancient history, in which you can find a lot of entertaining facts about money. And to learn about the most interesting ones, watch the video next. Fact 1. The first coins. Do you know that the first coins in history were discovered during archaeological excavations in Greece? And this money had a very unusual shape in the form of thin, oblong bars of the same size. Archaeologists even managed to find ancient frescoes depicting people with these coins in their hands. A bundle of such rods was called a drachma. Incidentally, this is also the name of the modern Greek coin. Fact 2. First banknotes. The first money bills made of paper were invented several centuries BC in ancient China. Curiously, this money had real value, but it was all used exclusively for burning on a bonfire during funeral ceremonies. It was believed that this way the afterlife of the deceased would be much more pleasant and easier. Fact 3. Practical money. It's also worth noting that in the 2nd century BC, China made really practical money. Almost all coins were specially cast in bronze in the shape of table knives, utensils, bells, musical, and even gardening tools. This must be the only example in history where money, apart from its value, could be of real use. Fact 4. The first electronic money. Did you know that the world's first electronic money appeared not 2 decades ago, but back in 1918? That's when the Federal Bank in the United States made the first money transfer using the telegraph. Already in those years, many members of the government recognized such transfers as very convenient. Fact 5. Faces of rulers on money. A curious fact about money can be considered, and the fact that the first person in the world who ordered to mint the profile of his face on all money was the famous military leader Alexander the Great. And this idea was so liked by all the other rulers that the faces of many of them are still printed on modern banknotes. Fact 6. Currencies with Catherine II. But despite all the popularity of the outstanding military leader, the record holder in terms of the number of portraits depicted on money is the English Queen Elizabeth II. Her regal profile is printed on more than 30 different currencies around the world. Fact 7. Counterfeiters. With the appearance of the first money as a universal medium of exchange, many different counterfeiters immediately began to appear. And if today you can go to jail for such a crime, then in the Middle Ages, for such an atrocity, for the right hand was cut off, burned at the stake, thrown to hungry beasts, poured into the mouth of molten tin. As you can see, facts about money can also be shocking. Fact 8. The most expensive hobby. What do you think is the most expensive hobby in the world? If you think it is collecting antiques and owning your own yacht, you are wrong. These hobbies were only in 2nd and 3rd place. The palm of honor goes to, what would you think? Ordinary gardening. I hope these 5 shocking facts about finance have made you think. As you can see, the world of finance is full of surprises and hidden rules that many people are not even aware of. This information can be not only interesting, but also useful for your financial well-being. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, click on the like and bell, not to miss new interesting facts and useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.